Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be making a decadent rum raisin ice cream that's going to be sure to please the adults in the room. See if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
First, I'll start by separating my egg yolks. The white tail at the end of the yolk is called a chilaze, and whenever I use eggs in a recipe, I always try to remove it. I'll now add white sugar to the egg yolks and I'll whisk them until they turn a pale yellow. I have my saucepan on a medium-low heat. I'll add my milk and heavy whipping cream and wait for them to come to a low simmer. Now I'll add some of the warm milk to the egg and sugar mixture, and what this does is warm it up so that when I add it to my pan, it does not turn to scrambled eggs. And you'll realize that there's a lot of whisking when it comes to making the base for any type of ice cream. The constant whisking helps you to eliminate any clumps so that you can produce a smooth and rich ice cream. And you also want to make sure that you do not bring the mixture to a boil. Now I'm checking to see if the mixture has thickened, and how I do that is by dipping a spoon in the mixture and drawing a distinct line on the back. Rum Raisin is one of my favorite ice creams. Let me know your favorites in the comment section below. Time to strain the mixture to get rid of any lumps that may have formed. I'll add a few more ingredients and the base will be complete. And as always, a list of all the ingredients and quantities will be in the description box below. The raisins were soaked overnight in rum. I'll add the rum to the base, then I'll add the raisins later in the process. I'll cover the mixture in saran wrap and place in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. The base is ready, so I'll add it to my ice cream machine and get it churning. My ice cream machine is the Cuisinart brand. and it has all instructions for how long to make ice cream. So if you do this, make sure you follow directions on your ice cream machine. Now you can't have rum raisin ice cream without raisins, so now I'll add those into the mixture. I had my ice cream churning for about 30 minutes, so now it's time to test it out. If you like soft serve, you can probably eat it at this point. I like my ice cream firm, so I'll place it in 1-pint containers and have it freeze overnight. The ice cream is all frozen, so now it's time to check it out and begin plating. There you go guys, a decadent rum raisin ice cream. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for the continued support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!